Hi guys, with the price of Solana dropping lately, it might be hard to be optimistic about your investment if you're invested in Solana or if you're thinking about getting invested in it. But in this video, I'm going to give you guys 3 reasons to buy Solana. So make sure you guys watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're new to the channel or you just like basically my content, or if you're invested in Solana, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that like button. So that way it helps out with the algorithm, it helps push this video out to more guys like yourself who are invested in Solana or thinking about investing in it, or any other cryptos or stocks on my channel. With that being said, let's get this bread. So the first reason to buy Solana comes from a man, Mike Tyson. Boxing legend Mike Tyson says he's all in on Solana crypto, asks fans how high Solana will go. Guys, I'm just joking, right? But anyway, so Mike Tyson says that he's all in on Solana, and basically he's asking his fans how high will it go. He's trying to get his fans gassed, get some publicity out for Solana, and this is always good because there's no such thing as bad publicity, right? So publicity is just publicity. So the fact that Mike Tyson or anyone celebrity wise mentions a token or crypto or whatever, there'll be a lot of attention towards that, and a lot of people will start potentially investing in that. And of course, where there's a lot of investment towards something, this creates a lot of demand, and therefore the price of that security will actually increase, or that crypto will actually increase. So this is really good, as he's got 5.7 million Twitter followers. Out of that 5.7 million followers, if 200,000 basically invest, this could really create a lot of demand within the market, and the price of Solana will just start recovering and take off. And just out of interest, I believe Iron Mike has accepted to fight Jake Paul. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. Who do you think is going to win? Do you think Mike Tyson is going to beat Jake Paul? Because we all know Mike Tyson's punch, right? You know, that thing can knock you flat. You know, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. So now reason number 2 to buy Solana. Bank of America says Solana could take market share from Ethereum, become the Visa of the crypto ecosystem. Bank of America's analyst says that Solana could take market share away from Ethereum, noting that Solana is optimized for micropayments, gaming, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The analyst expects Solana could become the Visa of the digital asset ecosystem. So imagine Solana becomes people's new favorites for micropayments, gaming, and NFTs. And we all know the NFT space right now is booming. Like, a lot of people are going crazy about that. The people are buying up like NFT art, etc. It's gaining a lot of popularity. And not only that, but the gaming space is ever more popular. It's always been popular, but it's growing even more in popularity right now, and they're getting DLCs, downloadable contents that you can pay, you can buy. Solana actually takes over Ethereum as being everyone's favorite for this. They're gonna have so much like business around it. There's gonna be so much that they're gonna be involved in. They're gonna have their hands in different pies, the NFT pie, the gaming pie, the micropayments and stuff like that. This is gonna be huge, and if this really catches on, then guys, Solana will be going from just above $100 to, who knows, up to like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. So the third reason to buy Solana, Animoca Brands leads $8 million fundraising round for NFT platform built on Solana. So the funding will go towards expanding burnt finances, headcount, and tapping new partnerships with artists and other Solana-based projects. So guys, they've raised a lot of money, right? So they raised $8 million towards this, and this is going to be huge because that's a lot of money that you can be invested into Solana's project. The capital will go towards adding staff and exploring partnerships with artists and other Solana-based projects. Burnt Finance, known for burning a piece of artwork from street artist Banksy before selling a digitized version as an NFT, also said it has launched its NFT marketplace, which will feature auctions and allow users to mint and sell digital assets. So I've mentioned NFT a couple of times in this video, but for those who don't know what NFTs are, so NFTs are non-fungible tokens. More or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. For example, a Bitcoin is fungible. Trade one for another Bitcoin and you'll have exactly the same thing. Alright, so basically non-fungible token also means non-replaceable token. It means that if you get one, like an NFT, like let's say you buy an NFT art, right, of something, there's not going to be any other like that. There's going to be, it's unique to one. So a real world example would be the Mona Lisa. There's only one original Mona Lisa painting, right? But you can of course get copies of that. However, those copies are not the same thing. Whoever buys the original Mona Lisa owns the original. You know, no matter how many copies are out there, it's not the same as the original, and it's not as valuable as the original. So with NFTs, let's say you buy a painting, you own the original. Other people might have like GIF versions or image copies of that, but they don't own the original, and the copies are not as valuable as the original. So basically, in a nutshell, that's what NFTs are. So now imagine that Solana, they're trying to have the abundant finance, so they're trying to get a piece of this whole NFT market. And seeing as the NFT market is fairly new, so the minute more people jump on this and basically more investors start getting into it and it starts becoming a bit of a saturated, this will be really good because Solana would already be in at the early doors, you know. So they already established a name for themselves. They'll be a household name, so a lot more people will be investing in them, trusting the platform, and this will really drive the price up. So if we then hop over to the chart, and in particular having a look at the daily chart, and the price right now, since my last video, the price is actually within this demand region. I believe there's going to be a lot of demand built up around this area that could potentially see the price heading back above the 10 moving average and heading up to the $192 resistance. And part of the reason for this, if you have a look at the RSI, it looks like the bearish momentum might be coming to an end because it's getting towards the oversold territory. It's just going to be interesting to see what the price does, whether a lot of demand gets built up that sends this price heading up above the 10 moving average, or if the price breaks down. Basically, if that support breaks down and the price continues heading down, bears are building up a lot of momentum. Only time can tell, and it'll be interesting to see what it does. So guys, those are my 3 reasons to buy Solana, and it goes without saying, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my thoughts and opinions, or what I think Solana is going to do in terms of price action, or fundamental reasons as to why Solana is going to be good in the next coming years. Give us a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts on Solana, what your thoughts on this video are, basically the information I brought forward. And also if there's any stocks, any cryptos that you want me to have a look at, let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further content that I put out. Thanks a lot guys for watching. God bless.